Next topic, the sublimation. There are the some change directly from solid state to gaseous state and vice versa without changing into the liquid state. The change of state directly from solid to gas without changing into the liquid state is called the sublimation. So like that, ammonium chloride, that formula is the NH4Cl. So iodine, camphor, naphthalene are the substances which undergo into the sublimation, that are the direct solid directly going to be changed into the gas without the changing in liquid state. So solid CO2, it is also called the dry ice, the sublimates into the CO2 gas directly without the changing into liquid state. And next we are going to be discuss about the effect of change of pressure. In that previous we are going to discuss the effect of change of temperature. So now we are going to discuss about the effect of change of pressure. So the physical state of matter can also be changed by changing the pressure by increasing or decreasing. So we have already learned that difference in various state of matter due to the difference in the distance between the constituents of particles. So apply the pressure and reducing the temperature can the liquefy the gases. Okay, so in this case when we increase the pressure, so need to the decrease the temperature, so that are the easily going to be converted from one form to another form. So solid CO2 is stored at the high pressure, like that LPG is also going to be that same way is going to be stored by the increasing the pressure. So the CO2 get the converted directly to the gaseous state on the decreasing of pressure of the 1 atm. 1 atm is equal to the 1.01 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Pascal is that the unit of SI unit of pressure. So without coming into the liquid state, this is the reason that solid CO2 is also known as the dry ice. So it is, this question is going to be asked many times, what is the dry ice? Okay, so thus we can see that pressure and temperature determine the state of substance, whether it will be solid, liquid or gas. So in this we are going to be seeing the interconversion of the three different stages. Okay, so solid is going to change into liquid by that process called the fusion, and the liquid change into the solid, that is called the solidification. So similarly, when the liquid change into gas is called the vaporization, and gas change into the liquid is called the condensation, and when solid change into gas is called sublimation, or the gas change into solid, that same, it is called the sublimation. So thanks a lot.